Affordable private schools cater to the aspiration of parents at the bottom of the pyramid. In the hope of economic upliftment, these parents send their children to the neighborhood English medium schools, spending about 1,500 rupees per month. There are 100,000 such schools educating over 50 million students in India. While it was inspiring to Grey Matters that these entrepreneur-run schools are creating access to education in low-income communities, it was also intriguing that the parents spending their hard-earned money had limited information to gauge the quality of education in these schools. This resulted in the Grey Matters school rating idea in 2010. Grey Matters wanted to bridge the information gap between schools and parents and thereby enable informed school choice. This in turn would result in market-driven quality improvement. Prototype 1 was thus launched as school ratings that used an open-source assessment toolkit and reports generated using Excel programming. Schools saw the rating as a benchmarking metric and parents appreciated the school's transparency. Yet, it was only nice to have for parents and ratings were not actionable enough to drive improvement for the schools. Now, Grey Matters realized that assessments need to become more than just a rating to driving directed quality improvement. To create value for the schools using assessments such that they are willing to pay for it, Grey Matters leveraged the expertise of Australian Council for Educational Research, one of the best educational research companies in the world, to develop robust test instruments. Thus was born the Prototype 2. Prototype 2 provided student report for parents, class report for teachers, and school report for the school management. To make assessments affordable, Grey Matters invested in technology to develop its analytics engine and automate report generation. Meanwhile, school rating became just one of the outputs of assessment, creating a market for the stakeholder-specific outputs like individual, student, and class reports. Whilst reports were now actionable, only about 10% of school managers were progressive enough to pay and subscribe for assessment. This challenged the model's scalability, putting Grey Matters at another prototyping crossroad. Having observed that parents are consistently invested in their child's education, Grey Matters decided to test the idea of selling assessment directly to parents in affordable private schools. These assessments test students for grade-level proficiency in English, mathematics, logical reasoning and science skills and provide student reports to parents. Thus, Prototype 3, which is the current model, came into existence. While still trying to expand the school market, this prototype also diversifies into reaching parents directly to drive growth. Grey Matters reached 50,000 students through schools. With renewed aspiration to reach 5 million students in 5 years, Grey Matters is also developing an app to reach parents and schools digitally across India and make assessments truly affordable and accessible. Grey Matters thus continues to evolve using valuable lessons from the market to arrive at an assessment offering that is sustainable and scalable, with the ultimate aspiration of improving the quality of education in APS sector.